recreate K. Hello my loves, I hope you all are safe and doing well. So today I'm going to try to recreate Kiara Advani's makeup look from the movie Shershaah. First I'm going to use the Inside 3-in-1 primer and I'm going to prime my face. I have taken a pea-sized amount and I'm just going to rub it and warm it up on my fingers. And then I'm going to apply over the areas where I have my pores. So it is usually over my T-zone, the smile lines, and slightly on the side of my cheek. I have been having some breakouts recently, so out here and all I have a little textured skin, and also there are some pores out there, so I'm just trying to apply the primer out there too. I have primed my face and now I'm just going to let it set for 2 minutes. So Kiara's makeup look is like a sort of very simple makeup look in that, so I'm going to do it in my interpretation. So this is a Kiara inspired makeup look, not exactly Kiara's makeup look. She looks so beautiful and gorgeous in that. So while I'm waiting for my primer to settle down, I'm going to use the EYETEX Dazzler eyebrow pencil and do my eyebrows. I'm going to brush my eyebrows upwards. So I'm mainly trying to fill in the sparse areas. Next I'm going to conceal the dark circles around my eyes, around my mouth, and there are some dark pigmentations I have on my cheeks. So for this I'm just using my fingers only. So I feel it is easier to do with my fingers. Like if you have a brush, if you have a flat brush, you can use the brush. But for me it is easier to do with my fingers. And I feel it gives a little more natural finish to the look. Next, I'm going to use the Inside Ultra Thin Second Skin Foundation. So this has a very light to medium coverage and this gives a very natural sort of finish. To set my face with the Blue Hair and Sapphire powder. So I have like dry skin, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the powder, dust off the excess. So I'm going to apply over my eyelids, under my eyes. So these are the areas where I usually crease, so I'm going to do out there, and I'm just going to apply a teensy amount of powder. It just has to touch the skin, so it will give a more natural finish. Now if you have oily skin, you can bake. So now we're going to do the eyeshadow. So for that, above the eyelids, I'm going to use this pink color from Blue Heaven Diamond Blush. So I've taken the color, I'm going to dust off the excess and then going to apply above my eye. So I'm going to put more product just right on top of my lid, and then I'm going to blend it out to the crease. So it is a transition from dark to light. So I use this brown eyeshadow on my lower eyelid and I have connected it with this pink color. Next I'm going to use the EYEBROW, the big apple of my eye kohl pencil, and I'm going to tight line. Then I'm going to draw on my lower lid too. What I'm going to do is, using the same flat brush, I'm just going to smoke it out. So like it comes like a smoky appearance. That's obviously smoke it out. So this is how the eye looks. And next I'm going to use the mascara, and for that I'm going to use the Blue Heaven Lash Twist Mascara. Before applying the mascara, I'm just going to slightly curl my lashes. And apply the mascara. So I'm not going to do any falsies today. Now I'm going to apply the blush, and for the blush I'm using the same color that I used on my cheeks, for my eyelids, and apply on my cheeks. So there is not much of a contour going in her look. Now for the lips, I'm going to use the ELLE 18 Color Pops Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Rust Rage. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to apply. So this is how the final makeup look has turned out, and I hope you like it. Kiara looks so gorgeous in that movie. I mean, I haven't seen the movie, the posters is what I'm talking about, and I haven't seen the movie yet. I should see it, but I'm a very emotional sort of person. I get sad very fast, and there's a lot of tragedy already in my life, so I don't want to see more tragic movies. But yes, I will see it, and do let me know if you have seen the movie, and do let me know if you like the makeup look. So if you made it to the end of the video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. It will help with the growth of my channel also. Until we meet the next time, see ya! And do watch Shershaah.